Step 1. Unlock your wallet. Click Unlock. Choose your wallet method. Click Unlock. Step 2. Deposit your token into my SEEDDEX balance. Approve token. Click Profile. Choose the token that you want to approve. Click Approve. Set the gas price and you can check the rate on ethgasstation.info. The Approve button changes to the Deposit button. Deposit token. Choose the token that you want to deposit into your SEEDDEX balance. Click Deposit. Set gas price. Input value deposit. Click Deposit. Look at the bell to check all notifications. Success. Step 3. How to create buy and sell orders. Limit order, buy or sell. Click or search for the token that you want. Set the amount token and the price token. Click buy or sell. Click create order, buy or sell. Order history. Shows all orders that you created, both buy and sell. You can cancel an order that you created, both buy and sell. It will appear in the order history. When someone buys or sells your order, it will disappear from the order list, but it appears on the trade history. Step 4. How to trade. Limit order. Click order from the buy or sell order that you want. You can change the amount token. Click buy or sell. Set gas price. Look at the bell to check all notifications. Success. Trade history shows all successful trade orders. Market order. To buy or sell, use the latest order from each buy and sell order. Set the amount token. Click buy or sell. Set gas price. Click trade. Look at the bell to check all notifications. Success. Log out. Click Open Wallet, log out, or just click Refresh Page.